Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we solve it by the rule of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first of all we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Now we solve it by the rule of mathematics PEMDAS. Now we first of all we solve numerator. Now we write as 9 minus 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. Inside of the parentheses we solve first. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. So multiplication come before subtraction. So first of all we solve multiplication. 9 minus 6, 5 is 30, give us 30, divided by 3. No, 9 minus 30 give us minus 21, divided by 30. And 21 divided by 3 give us minus 7. The final answer is minus 7. Thanks for watching.